let's get back to Danny's box from the other day and try some of the stuff.
Yeah.
Now, I just opened these. These are like little cookies. Look at the size of them. Tiny little things.
So cute.
Try one. The smell of cinnamon.
Oh, yeah, I like cinnamon. Mmm.
Very cinnamon, aren't they? That's not ginger, that's cinnamon. I know the difference because my mum used to make ginger cakes. She worked in a ginger biscuits. She worked in a ginger biscuit factory.
They taste very Christmassy though, don't they?
Nice, I love them. We're not trying Maltesers because we know what they taste like and they're just off camera vegging
Snuggle
out.
up in bed. Right, let's try this one because I saw you going for that.
Yeah, that's what I'm having. That's what I'm having.
They all look nice though, don't they?
Look at this, it's like a proper biscuit assortment, this.
Yeah, they look wonderful.
You see them all? Look at them, look at them. Right, you're not
Can I
allowed
see
in
the
this
box?
top corner.
Which one?
This corner.
I think
Mmm.
I'll try the coconutty looking one. Coconutty kind of looking one. It's like a feel.
You'll like them. Try that. I thought they were going to be a lot crunchier, but they're not. They're nice.
They're so strangely nice.
I'm having that next. I could eat this all day. Next. Try that. They're nice. Last thing to eat. We had some chocolates, proper chocolates.
Yeah.
I'm definitely having that one.
But it's weird because
Look at that, I'm definitely having that one. Have you seen it? It's got like a band on it.
Okay, I'll try this one. It's like the darkest one in there. This one.
There's more inside, look. There's loads of different ones.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Mine's
Try that one.
vanilla. What's that one?
It's dark chocolate. No, actually, it's good. You're not having it.
Seen this and I want that one. There's one up here at what I really want. I can't see it on top, so I'm having to go straight to the bottom. Women hate this. You know, they don't let you go to the bottom sheets until you've finished the top sheet. My mum used to go balmy. It used to really annoy me because I always wanted the toffee ones, and you only got like 2 toffees on top, but you knew there were 2 more on bottom. And she wouldn't let you have them until the top were empty, but she wouldn't let you have a lot of the top ones because they were her favourite. It's a long story. But look at that. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. It's like a chocolate button.
What's the flavour?
Who cares? Who cares? It's chocolate button. It's got some creamy stuff in middle. Another chocolatey button on top, but a different... You've got milk chocolate and dark chocolate. And some crispy bits. Can you see that? Focus. Focus. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, I think it's a hazelnut cream. Alright, I'll stick with these.
I really need a steak on top of this. You did say you were making me a barbecue steak last night.
Oh, look, they snap in half. Oh, they're cute. They're so cute.
Do you know how nice my barbecue steak was last night?
I offered you...
It's still in the fridge. It's still in the fridge.
Yeah, and I offered you everything last night. Did I not?
And I can't eat the steak today because we're off out for dinner. So another day, I haven't got my steak. Sat here eating a cracker instead of a steak.
These are nice.
This needs a steak on top of it.
Kind of cheesy, aren't they?
They're like, what do you call them? I love them. Ritz. Ritz. Same as Ritz, but square. Belgium, you copied off us. We already had them. Ritz, they're called. But we made them round.
I like them.
Yeah, but you can't turn them into squares and say they're Belgian. Because they're not, they're English, they're called Ritz.
I like them.
Someone's going to tell me Ritz aren't from England now, aren't they? I was really hoping she wouldn't get them baubles out, but she has. She's hanging them off trolls, for God's sake. I don't do Christmas decorations. Thank you very much, Danny, for this. I really appreciate you sending us some baubles. Especially so many baubles. Small baubles. She's going bauble mad. She's going bauble, Matt. You've got them everywhere, Mazzy.
I
Look
know.
at the state of the place.
Look, it's so cool. Look up there. Look, they're everywhere.
Yeah, but they're gonna dingle and dangle when we're travelling and stuff. They can't stay up there. Look, you've got them all. Oh my God.
They're so pretty. It's Christmas.
It's not Christmas. It's November.
It's pretty.
And what's that you've got there? That were a Halloween thing last week.
Yeah.
Where have you got that from?
My sister got me that, so we can open that now as of December.
Oh, is that an advent calendar?
Yeah.
Well, you do realise number 21 I open, don't you?
Yeah.
Why? Why?
My balls are falling.
Because what? Why do I open number
Because it's your
21?
birthday.
It's my birthday. I'm 27 on the 21st of December. Don't forget, people. And don't forget, people, it's Jesus' birthday on the 25th as well. His is equally as important as mine. Cheers, Danny. Yes, that works. That works just underneath us trolls, me and you. Above your daughters and you. God, you get everywhere, don't you? You're on every level. You're with your daughters, you're with me, and you're a troll.
So we're just looking for Karen and Mike's address. Dan's really nervous for some reason. Is that one there? Yeah.
I don't know where I'm going to put this.
Yeah, let's go around the corner a bit. Come on.
What are they called?
Karen and Mike.
Karen and Mike.
Yeah. See, they're in the Christmas spirit.
Karen and Mike. So Karen and Mike, we came to your house to post your card for you, but you're not in, so hands delivered, you see. We're not doing that with everybody's cards, just Karen and Mike's. Come on, let's get out of here.